In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Facebook, now known as Meta, with Klaviyo, enhance your marketing strategies, and ensure smooth synchronization across platforms. If you're looking to efficiently connect your Meta ads and custom audiences with Klaviyo, or if you need to sync leads from Facebook lead ads, you've come to the right place. Not only will we cover the setup, but we'll also dive into the settings involved and best practices for a successful integration. Let's first clarify what integrating Facebook or Meta with Klaviyo really means. You might wonder why this integration is important. When people talk about this, they typically refer to a few key functions. Firstly, the integration allows you to sync Klaviyo lists or segments into Facebook, now Meta, so you can effectively run ads, retarget users, or craft lookalike audiences. Secondly, it includes automatically sending leads collected through Facebook lead ads directly into Klaviyo. Lastly, this integration is also about tracking and attribution, ensuring that your Facebook Pixel or Conversions API work in harmony with Klaviyo flows and events. This synchronization is vital if you want to see how your email and SMS campaigns align with your Facebook ads. Now, let's delve into the actual setup process for this integration. Start by heading over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Integration section. In this area, you'll need to search for Meta ads, which might sometimes appear labeled as Facebook ads or Meta in the list of applications. Once identified, click on the Install or Connect button. This action will prompt a redirection to Facebook or Meta, where you'll be required to log in and grant necessary permissions. It's crucial to ensure that you're using the personal Facebook account with administrative access to your business manager, ad account, and page to facilitate this process smoothly. Don't forget to accept any terms of service prompted by Klaviyo or Facebook at this stage. After establishing a connection, you'll have the option to select what exactly you want to sync: custom audiences, lead ads, or potentially both. Syncing allows you to target specific groups effectively. For custom audiences, decide which Klaviyo lists or segments should link to your Meta custom audiences. Typically, this is a one-to-one mapping. On the other end, if you're focusing on lead ads, you'll need to choose which Facebook page and which lead ad form should connect with a specific Klaviyo list. Plus, make sure to configure how you want these leads to subscribe, be it via email, SMS, or both, and whether they require an opt-in. One last but absolutely critical aspect is permissions. The right permissions are vital, because missing any can make the integration unreliable. Ensure you have admin rights on the Facebook page, manage permissions on the ad account, and access to the business assets like lead ads and pages. Also, be sure to accept any of Meta's terms of service for ads or lead ad usage. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a successful integration between Meta and Klaviyo, allowing you to boost your marketing efforts and streamline your data management.